In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Wix Favicon, which is pretty much the logo that's showing up on your website in the URL box. So basically all you need to do is go to Wix, go to your website, click on View Live Site, or simply click on Select and Edit Site right away, which will then send you over to the backend of your Wix website, which should look like this. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down, you want to find Settings. You then want to click on Overview or General Info. You can click on General Info if you want to do this right away. If you go to Overview, you can then click on General Info, but I'll just do it like this. If you then scroll down, you'll find Favicon. So a favicon is a small icon next to your site title. It's a great way to help visitors recognize your brand and stand out in the tabs. So for example, what this is that if you go to YouTube, okay, so YouTube doesn't have this, surprisingly, but you can go to a few websites and the logo will show up right there. Okay, so YouTube does actually have this, of course. It's right here. I was looking right there, which is my bad. But you can see the YouTube logo, the Wix logo, the Trello logo. So that's what this is about. So all you need to do is click right there and you can then use that as your Wix logo. So I'm signed into a test account, meaning I cannot do this right now. But all you need to do is have a premium account and then do this right here. If you don't have a premium account, you can still add a logo, but for that you want to go over here, logo, and then you can do that right there. This is not a favicon, so it won't show up right there, but this is a website logo, so you can still do that if you don't want to upgrade to premium in case you're not using premium. Anyway, that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.